So I got a question today on one of my videos about the carburetors and the whole fuel system teardown on this thing from Technoid. Where is the air intake for cooling the engine? And honestly, I have to say at the time, I didn't know. I'd never really thought about it. So I came out and looked at it, and from what I can tell, it's back here. I'm not sure where the air comes in. The outlet is certainly here in the back. So what about underneath? That doesn't look like to be underneath. But, you know, certainly when you start it up, there she goes. Love Hondas. We have the exhaust, but you also have the cooling air coming around the exhaust, which is nice because it blows the exhaust further away. There we are. There's the vents. Just feel we have a little bit up here in these two. It seems that the cooling air is being drawn in on these side vents and then exhausted out in the back. So to answer that question, the cooling for these little Honda generators appears to go in the side and gets sent out the back to try to blow the exhaust away from the rest of the unit. Thanks again. Thanks for asking.